Hi children, today I am discussing the first exercise problems which I gave as a homework for you. I am giving the solutions for that. Today we will discuss the solutions and I'll give an assignment for that. This is the first question of your exercise 1.1. I already gave this as homework for you. I am doing this question for you. Just read the question. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on particular day. Here you can observe the number line. First question, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it and temperature. This is the number line he given with some temperatures. As place was not there, I used only initials of the names. I am just repeating. By observing, you can say the number lines as per the temperatures. Here first, this is a 0, a freezing point, and after that at 5 degrees it is Shimla. As for Shimla, it's of 5 degrees. After 10 it's 1, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 degrees is at Ooty. After 20, 21, 22. 22 degrees at Bangalore. Here when you move below the freezing point, yesterday I already told you, below is a negative sign. So before 0 you have to indicate with a negative sign. So this is -1, -2. So temperature of Srinagar is -2 and temperature at Lahore Spit is -5, -6, -7, -8. So -8 is the temperature at Lahore Spit. This is the first question he asked. To observe that, so answer for the first question. Observe the number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So this is the answer. At Lahore Spit's temperature is -8 degrees. At Srinagar the temperature is -2 degrees. And Shimla is 5 degrees. Ooty of 14 degrees. And Bangalore with 22 degrees centigrade. And the next question he gives. And question number B is given that what is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest places among the above. Now when you observe this, what is the coldest place? Is -8 is the least number among the given numbers. So the coldest place will be at Lahore Spiti with -8 degrees centigrade. And what will be the hottest place among the given temperatures? That is 22 degrees. Plus 22 is more. So at Bangalore the hottest temperature is recorded as 22 degrees centigrade. So what he is asking is difference. So you have to subtract the temperature 22 degrees minus 8 degrees centigrade. Now we have to subtract the hottest temperature is 22 degrees of Bangalore minus of coldest temperature is -8 degrees at Lahore Spit, that is -8. Now with the properties minus into minus is plus. So 22 plus 8, that is plus 30 degrees centigrade is the difference between the hottest place to the coldest place. So what is the answer? Plus 30 degrees centigrade. For the next question is what is the temperature difference between Lahore Spit and Srinagar? Means you have to subtract these two values. What is the difference between Lahore Spit with Srinagar? That is -8. Difference is nothing but subtraction. So -8 minus of -2 degrees. So what will be the difference between these two? -8 minus -2. You can use the bracket also, no problem. So this is plus. If no sign is there, it indicates that it is having plus. So plus into minus, minus 8, minus into minus, plus 2. Here you can observe these two are two alternative signed numbers. This is a negative number, this is a positive number. So what you have to do when alternative signs are there, subtract the values. 6, 8 minus 2 is 6. And give the sign, which number is bigger, 8 or 2? 8. So 8 is carrying minus. So I am giving the minus sign. So minus 6 degrees centigrade is the temperature difference between the Lahore Spit and Srinagar. Now the fourth question is, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than temperature at Shimla? First he is asking that you have to take together, means addition. You have to add the Srinagar's temperature with Shimla's temperature, and that temperature will be less or more than Shimla's temperature, and you have to compare it with Shimla temperature. First, if you add these two, what is the total temperature? 5 plus what is the Srinagar temperature? Minus 2. So minus 2. So what is the answer? 5 plus minus 2. Plus into minus, minus. So 5 minus 2. That is 3 degrees centigrade. 3 degrees centigrade. So when I am taking the two temperatures together is nothing but addition. I am adding the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. What is the answer? 3 degrees centigrade. Now you can say that Shimla's temperature is more than the temperature if you take together, and Srinagar's temperature is less than the temperature which we take together. That is the answer for your fourth question. And this is the second question we are going to discuss now. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack scores in 5 successive rounds 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what is his total at the end? I already discussed this kind of example in the last video. Now I am going to do the answer. Now the scores are like this: 25 in first round, minus 5 in second round, minus 10 in third round, plus 15 in fourth round and 10 in last round. So these are the scores he scored in 5 rounds of a quiz. What is his total at the end? Total is nothing but addition. So add all these. 25 plus minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. What we have to do first? We have to resolve the brackets. Now write down the values with resolving the bracket. What you write? Plus into minus, it will become minus. Plus into minus, it will become minus. So now I am writing like this. Now it's 25 plus into minus, minus 5 plus into minus, minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Now what we can do? First do from left to right as per your convenience. So I am doing 25 minus 5. 25 minus 5 is 20, minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. It's easy to add. So it's 25. Now I am writing 20 minus 10. How much? 10 plus 25. Now both are positive numbers. So 10 plus 25, 35 is the answer. So his total score of quiz is 35 marks. Now we'll go with the third question. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees on Monday and then it is dropped by 2 degrees on Tuesday and was temperature of Srinagar of Tuesday. On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees. And what was its temperature on this day? This question I already discussed in the last video. The answer will be, we are discussing the fourth question. A plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Now, this is a question he given to you. A plane is flying at a 5,000 meters above the sea level. So, I am giving plane distance from the sea level is plus 5,000 meters. And he given that a submarine is floating below the sea level. That is, the distance from the sea level to the submarine is 1200 meters. I clearly mentioned it's below the sea level. Below, you have to indicate with a negative sign. Now, what is the vertical distance between them? That is, you have to subtract this plane distance with the height of this submarine. That is plus 5,000 minus distance of the submarine, that is minus 1200 meters. Now resolve the bracket. Minus into minus plus. So 5,000 plus 1200, that is 6,200 meters is the distance between the plane and a submarine. It's clear? Now we'll see the fifth question. Mohan deposits 2,000 rupees in his bank account. Mohan deposits 2,000 rupees in his bank account and withdraws 1,642 rupees from it the next day. If withdrawal amount of the account is represented by negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in the Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Now see, he given that amount deposited is 2,000. When withdrawn amount is with negative sign, the deposited amount will indicate it with positive sign. So the deposited amount is plus 2,000 rupees and withdrawn amount is minus 1,642 rupees. Now what he is asking? The balance amount in his account. Balance amount is nothing but you have to add these two. So what will it be? Balance amount is 2,000 plus minus 1,642. 2,000, resolving the bracket, plus into minus, minus. So 2,000 minus 1,642. That is, how much it will become? 358 rupees is the balance in his account after withdrawing the 1,642. I hope you understood. Now I am concluding this session with this question. I am giving one tricky question along with this as an assignment. Please think and do that question. It's very interesting. I'll send it as an assignment. I hope you all will do and you'll. Thank you.